back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're not in the stitchery today. We're actually in a different part of my house. Yay, you get to see more of my house. Today's video is a yarn haul, yay, from Hobbii. Stay tuned. So the other day I saw that Hobbii had a new yarn, the Toucan yarn, and I wanted to do a review on it. And in order to do a review on it, I needed some. So I made an order, which I didn't order from Hobbii at all last year. I didn't. I always order like once a year or twice a year. I just didn't last year. There was just nothing really bouncing out at me that I just really wanted to try. So I got a few different yarns besides the Toucan, but we got mostly Toucan yarn. So enough talking, let's look at the yarn. I don't know how you open this. I've never gotten a package like this one before. Okay, there's a whole bunch here. I'm gonna sort it into categories. I'll be right back. Okay, I have 3 different yarns here. I have Tweed Dreams, Toucan, and Malaga. Now, I got Malaga because it was on sale, and I have heard that this is comparable to Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn. I'm not sure. We'll definitely do a comparison video on the channel at some point about this. But I got this particular color because I needed more sparkle for my Broadway bears. Just not enough silver sparkle, so I got more. And it is sparkly. So this is World of Yarn Malaga Glitter. And the specs are 98% premium acrylic, 2% polyester, 100 grams or 180 yards. They want you to use a 5 or 6 millimeter crochet hook, and it is a worsted weight 4. I agree. It's a 4. It is sparkly. The other one I got that was on sale was the Tweed Dreams. And oh my goodness, this yarn, I wanted to buy all the colors. I wanted to buy all the colors, because these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love them. You're gonna love them. So Tweed Dreams, I will read you the specs and then I'll show you all the pretty colors. This is 100% acrylic, 50 gram balls or 109 yards, pretty standard. Okotext standard, yay. Designed in Denmark, but made with love in Turkey. That's cute. Look. I love it. That's adorable. This is color 23. Okay, I will put the name of the colors on the screen because I don't have, they didn't give me like an invoice or anything, but it's on my phone, which I'm using to record. So I will put the name on the screen. But this is color 23. And it's like a red with black splotches in it. And I have plans for this yarn. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I think I got 2 of those. Or this might be, nope, this is a different color. This is 12. So this is a different, oh yeah, okay, you can see this one's way darker. But they both have the black splotches. And I have plans very soon. So. I also have color 19. This has pink and brown splotches in a like taupe kind of colored yarn. Okay, this one's one of my favorites because it reminds me of like cookie dough. This one is color 20, and this is brown with dark brown splotches. But doesn't it look like a chocolate chip cookie? It totally does. Then there's this really pretty purple with purple and blue splotches, and this is color 17. Oh, so beautiful. Then there's this one, another one of my favorites. This is yellow with orange and dark yellow splotches. This is color 24. And last but not least, for Tweed Dreams, we have this really pretty white with tan and gray splotches, and this is color 1. So I will hold all of these up, and you can see. So that was the Tweed Dreams. Okay, now what you're here for. The Toucan yarn. Oh my gosh, I got one, let's see, how many colors did I get? I got a bunch, so I really hope I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 colors. So this is the new Toucan yarn at Hobbii. Toucan. This is a not a 4 or a 5. This is considered a 6. No, this is definitely skinnier than a 6. I would say this is closer to a 5. 5 bulky. But it's considered a 6 super bulky. Okay. They recommend you use a 7mm hook. Not if you're making amigurumi, you don't want to. And where's the yardage? It's 100 grams, 100% polyester, 131 yards. This is the color 12. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of like a mauvey purple. So this is a chenille yarn. Yes, I will do a review on this. Let's see. Oh no. It does shed, but we'll see how bad it is when I actually crochet with it. Because I'm not, well, I don't know. It seems stronger than other chenille yarns. It's very soft. It really is. Kind of feels like a cross between Parfait Chunky and Velvet. It's very nice. So that was 12. Next we have this one. This is 11. This one's softer. Interesting. It's a very pretty ballet pink kind of color. So I'll let you see them together. See, big difference. And sticking in the pastel zone, we've got this color, which I was hoping was a lot brighter. The picture was a lot brighter than this, but that's okay. This is color 27, which is kind of a mint. And the other green that I got is this one. This is color 28. Kind of a foresty green, or maybe a little bit of like a leprechaun green. Here's the two greens together. Big difference. And I'm really sorry, I'm losing my light. It's getting dark here, so really sorry about that. This is a pastel yellow color. This is color 5. And this is color 6. So these are the two yellows I got. And I got an orange. This is color 9. Kind of a fun, bright orange. And then, of course, we had to get red, which is color 15. Here's it next to the orange, so you can see. And of course, I had to get white. Need a good base color. 1. Then I also got a cream type color, and that's color 2, so you can see the difference. And of course I had to get black. So that's color 34. Okay. A few more here. The brown family. As I wanted to do some things with brown yarns. This is color 3. Color 4. And color 31. This is a dark chocolate brown, more of a coffee brown, and more of like a coffee with cream brown. Or tan. So, that is the new Toucan yarn and the Tweed Dreams, and of course the one skein of Malaga. So I hope you enjoyed that. I am going to make something with this yarn very, very soon. So I will do a full review on what I think of this yarn. I don't know a lot of people who've tested it yet, so maybe I'll be one of the first ones. Who knows? But thank you so much for joining me today. I am not affiliated with Hobbii in any way yet, but I will still put a link to their website down below if you would like to buy any of these yarns as well. I highly recommend Hobbii. Check them out. They have deals all the time. If you go to a certain amount, you get free shipping. But honestly, their shipping isn't that terrible, in my opinion, compared to some of the other yarn sites. So, you know, if you want to just make a big order, maybe do it that way. It is National Crochet Month, but I think they celebrate it internationally as well. So I would be looking for sales if I were you. But anyway, thank you so much for being here today. I love you guys. I'm so happy you're here. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite color was or which yarn you'd like to try maybe. I don't know. Just leave me a comment down below. It does help the algorithm, which helps me, which helps the channel, which means I can do more stuff for you guys. So thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my Yarn Zebra family over here. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group. It's really fun over there. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!